Before all hell breaks loose.
Sorry, everybody.
What's up, y'all? Starting out the vlog. A little different. Holy cowabunga, bro. Yeah, look at that thing. It's done. Yeah, the two broken pieces. All right. So you think that's gonna work now? What's going on, everybody? Brian here. Got another repair for you guys. One of these couch from our previous order, but we never got to it. So now the plan is to get it restored, listed, and sold. So that's how that couch is looking right here. So that's the damage. As you can see, that's straight and that's not. I don't know exactly what's going on here, but it seems like one of the springs either got detached, and we're gonna have to try to figure it out. What we're gonna do is get all the legs off of this thing and then open up the bottom and see what we're working with. All right, so after like 30 minutes of pulling these staples out, I'm finally able to expose what's going on underneath. Bam. So that's what's broken, that piece right there. So what we're gonna have to do is just pull this back if we can. Or maybe I'm gonna have to use the same strategy as last time and have June step on it somehow. But I don't know if that's gonna work this time. A little different. Got this couch trying to fix. As you can see, our legs are in between some woods. And ready?
Yep. Oh, actually, me first.
Oh, go ahead.
Now it's at the same time. All right.
Oh,
see,
someone has to push it that way too.
Yeah. Hey, Mark.
Dang. It's not even budging, huh?
No, the reason why is I'm trying to put on both, so it should go like this. It's
holy cowabunga, bro.
We need 3 people in here, man.
So that's what we're trying to get down because go ahead and
because now
because
it's getting pushed in.
We're kicking it in. Yeah, look at that thing. So busted up. I had to remove pretty much everything from the bottom, or remove all the cover, the dust cover, just so that we could access that part right there. Anyways, we're gonna put a hold on this because I don't know how we're gonna fix it right now. I'm a little bit stumped because once we're stepping on it, instead of it going just straight down this way, when we're putting pressure, it's going down sideways and it's making it far from this and we're not able to staple it down. So we have to figure out a way how we can do both. Maybe need 3 or 4 people just to get this project done. Back on this project, got a professional here now. My brother-in-law coming here and try to fix this damn thing. Uh-huh. Go ahead, Superman. All right, so the plan is taking off all the staples. See, yeah, it's already exposed. It'll be easy from there? Mm-hmm. You promise? I believe in my brother-in-law's promises, man. See?
See if you work out.
See, that's why he's here. He convinced me to do it this way. My plan was to drill holes right here and pull it. But that's why you bring the professionals in. Holy crap, look, it's double. They staple it down this way and then, well, they staple it down here and then they fold it over and then staple again. Now you guys know how the professional works. It's that orange shirt. Without that orange shirt. Okay, now I see, man. I see I'm the problem. I'm too safe. You getting scared, bro? Ooh, see? See, this guy's used to working with wood. He's not scared. I'm getting scared of freaking getting like splinters and stuff. We're gonna continue trying to figure this out, but as of right now, that's how it looks. Because that guy rescued me. Damn, we didn't record the part where we're fixing it, bro. Damn. Look at that. This is back. We look at that magic. Now, that's as good as it's gonna get, huh?
Dang, man. Want to show them what we did? Alright, so all we... yeah, the 2 broken pieces. Oh, no, they'll take that one out. And we just put it back in. Let me hammer it back in again. Because earlier it was too low anyway. I lowered it down. And then... ta-da! From being hella broken to Transformers. Alright, so that's how I guess we repaired that. Does it look like Transformer now?
Why don't you just leave it like that?
Yeah. We could. No one's gonna know. They'll just fall right through.
No one's gonna know until it breaks on them. They bring it to a professional.
Let me see if this works. Oh.
Damn, that's strong.
Sheesh, dude. Uh-oh, we're back to the drawing board, guys.
Yeah, we need to screw that.
Oh yeah, it's coming off, bro. It's about to snap already. All right, we gotta unhinge everything, huh? Oh, hold up. You can let that one go, June.
Let it go?
Yeah, actually, oh, never mind. That spring's gonna fly though. It's fine. Yeah, just go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. It's done.
Okay, let's start over.
Oh, it'll go under.
So it doesn't matter where you put it right there.
Got it?
That's good. Yeah, put that right where you.
All right, just close your nose. Anywhere? Oh, in the middle? Right in the middle? No, back one more.
Like this?
Now, oh, yep, like that.
Oh,
All right. So you think that's gonna work now?
yeah, then just step right here. Like 50 of them.
I think this is fixed now. We ended up reinforcing that double time and then putting one across so that it doesn't bend back in anymore. I just think it's built bad. Huh, what do you think?
Yeah, it's just this part. You know why? Because if you look at it,
Damn, dude, we can start building furniture, guys. Whoa, look at that. We never had so many people working on the couch. Yeah, this was a good call, bro. I don't know if it would have held up.
what about this?
Oh yeah,
This
shiz.
This too. Actually, no, it should be fine.
All right, moment of truths. Let's flip it over. Yeah, I want to see how it is first. Ta-da! Alright, this way.
Wait, no, it's... Oh, yeah.
Alright, dude.
Jump on it, guys.
Where is it? Right here?
And they wouldn't even sit on it like that though.
Yeah, there was like,
Because that's a corner, so they would only sit on it right here.
How are you gonna sit?
Because there's a piece right here and a piece right there.
if anything, it would be the kids.
But why is it?
This corner is so big. Like, who's gonna sit on this corner like that?
You know, it's good, bro. It's better than before. Because before, people would have noticed it. Now,
That no one's gonna know.
all right. That's it. Took 100 people and the whole day to get this fixed. I guess that project's over. Thanks to our visitor right here, our expertise right here, and then our coach right here, and then our, what do you call the people that cheer for you? All right, that's it.